called the DPT. It is a triple vaccine, means it is protecting us from 3 diseases: diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. So these 3 harmful, dreadful diseases are being protected by one vaccine, that is DPT. You have this oral polio vaccine or OPV. Then you have the Salk vaccine, which is for your typhoid, okay, or we call, which is for polio. And you have the TAP vaccine, which is for the typhoid. And we have the, as I told you, BCG vaccine, which is for tuberculosis. Now, the basis of immunization is that when a disease causing germ falls into this pool of this poison, it gets killed. This is the basis of immunization, okay. What is immunization? It is to develop inside the body the ability to fight against infection. So suppose, let us say, TAP vaccine is given. The TAP vaccine is given for typhoid. So when this TAP vaccine is given to us, our body makes what do you call this, poison, antibodies, which is going to fight against the fresh typhoid disease germs. So what happens is, that is called the immunization. The body is able to make that poison, okay. Then we come to hygiene. Now what is hygiene? Hygiene is defined as the science of health and prevention of diseases. It is the science of health and prevention of diseases. How we can keep ourselves healthy and how we can prevent ourselves from getting diseased or getting unhealthy. So the first one, again, we have 2 levels: personal level, community level. So we have to protect us from our personal level, to keep ourselves protected in the personal level as well as the community level. Now in this, what we have in personal level, we have the personal cleanliness. How we can clean ourselves, keep ourselves clean so that we do not fall sick. When we clean ourselves, we are removing the dirt, we are removing the germs from our body. So the first one is wash your hand before and after meals. Whenever you are having food, just wash your hand. So when we are washing our hand, we are removing all the dirt from this part and the germs, because we are picking up the food, we are eating with the hands, and it is going to the mouth, and from the mouth it is going to go inside our body, so we don't get infected. Second thing is that clean your teeth after meals. After meals you clean your teeth. It's not, you don't have to brush it, you don't have to after each meal you don't have to brush it, but you rinse your mouth very nicely, thoroughly, so that all the food particles that get stuck in between the teeth or in the gum or any part of the mouth, that gets washed away, so that when you are taking in air or when you are talking, when there is a movement of a circulation of the air, what happens, the air has germs and we cannot see it, it is invisible to us, our eyes cannot see it. So when that enters, it does not get any food particles where it can sit and it can multiply and cause harm. The third one is that take bath regularly with clean water. That is very important. With clean water you take bath, because when you take bath, it washes the whole body. Then we have, do not grow long nails, or if it is there, in case of the ladies that we have, the females that we have, if they keep long nails, then wash your hand nicely, thoroughly with water, because between the nails, the dirt goes and settles, the germs goes and settles. One thing is that where there is dirt, there is germs. Then the next one we have is the clothes, especially undergarments, that should be washed properly and changed daily. It should be changed daily. We should not repeat it. After taking bath, you should wear fresh undergarments. The sixth one that we have, we should have a clean and regular toilet habits, and that is very important. We should not defecate in the open, because when you defecate in the open, it spreads a lot of diseases.